Hi, my name is Banu, and today I'm here to answer one of Kraken Counter Couture's most asked questions. How do I put these on? Before we begin, what are these cuties? These are Kraken's signature latex pasties, handcrafted rubber covers for your nips that are durable, reusable, vegan, and absolutely fabulous. There's a trillion designs available on Kraken online shop. Here are my personal favorites. Step 1. Get naked. Step 2. Make sure your skin is clean and dry. Step 3. Flip the pastries wrong side up and wipe the inside with acetone to remove any grease or dust for optimum bond. Step 4. Apply a line of mastic spirit gum around the outline. A bit goes a long way because the stuff is really strong. And avoid the nips if you can. You can buy the glue directly from us. Just search pasties glue. Step 5. Place them on your body and then imitating a suction cup movement, do this. This will speed up the adhesion to the skin. Step 6. Press and hold them in place for 1 minute. Voila! To remove, dip a cloth in spirit gum removal liquid and slowly peel it off. So, did you find this video useful? Give us a thumbs up and we'll produce more content like this.